Work really quickly. We're just gonna take thin section and use that as your platform and just kind of swipe that product on.
Louder, screaming louder, my superpower. Gonna take you higher.
Hello to all the HairBesties land. I am so happy. My friend Lauren is back. We have to social distance. Hold on.
Yeah.
6 feet away.
Masks on.
Masks on. Life is interesting now. But we're gonna do a retouch here. Look at that beautiful colors. This is so easy to work with, which I'm super excited about. Her hair is naturally lighter in the front. She's a level 9 right in the front of this band right here. And then behind that, she's an 8. And you can see that she's a little bit darker right here in the crown. She's level 8 there. And then as she gets down to the nape area, she turns back into a level 9. Are you ready?
Ready.
I wish I could touch you, but we're gonna come this way. Just come on. Time to put your body condom on. Lots of protection, everything. I'm gonna mix up your lightener. So now that I'm 6 feet away, I'm gonna detach this so we can talk like HairBesties. You're all the way over there. All right, so we're gonna use Big 9, you guys. I use Big 9 quite a bit. You can see I go through the tubes like crazy. I love Big 9 because it lifts the hair up to 9 levels or more at many times. So with Lauren's hair, because she is level 8 or 9, she's gonna get to a platinum white blonde very, very easily. So my mixing ratio with Lauren today will be 1 to 2 ratio. So I just want to make sure I squeeze enough here. She does have quite a bit of hair, so I'm just going to go ahead and do 80 grams. I'm going to use 20 volume. I can actually get away with 10 volume, but because I'm keeping it off her scalp, I just want to make sure that we get her hair as platinum and white as possible. So make sure that you really mix the cream lightener. Just a squirtage of Olaplex. So you pour in, just like so. And we don't want to forget the new Guy Tang Xpress Collagen Powder. This is everything. It has those same benefits and qualities for your hair, where your hair is protected, you get the protein, the keratin protein, the collagen protein, so it ensures that your hair stays healthy and strong. I'm just going to use a quarter scoop and we're just going to sprinkle her in there and we're going to whisk her up and we're going to apply it to her hair right now. Because Lauren's hair is a natural level 9 in the front, I don't want to start there. I want to start where she's the darkest. So right around here in the back of her crown, where you see a lot more depth, is where I'm going to place Big 9 the lightener on first. And you'll see here, I'll just go ahead and do quadrants because I'm just going to work from the back before I move up to the front. The hair around the face is the most vulnerable, so that's why I work from the back first sometimes. I work really quickly. We're just gonna take thin section and use that as your platform and just kind of swipe that product on. And remember, if you guys have not used Big 9, do yourself a favor. It's one of the best lighteners to exist, and when I developed it with our chemist, I made sure that it can lift as many levels as possible in one session in one step. All right guys, so we just rinsed out Big 9. I want you guys to come on in here, take a look at her hair, how she lifted. Look at that lift. She lifted to a clean level 10, as you can see. So now this is a perfect canvas for us to tone her hair. We are gonna use Titanium and Pearl Express Toners. We have Eclipse, Titanium, Pearl, Misty Moth, Blush, Golden Sand, and Sandstorm. So Sandstorm has a nice sandy, natural color. It's very, very beautiful. I love it. You have Golden Sand. This is great for when you overlift the client and you want to bring that warmth back in. It gives that glow that you love in a bright blonde. Blush gives you that like blushy, almost like rose gold, soft pink, beigey tone to the hair. Misty Moth is great for mushroom brown and mushroom blonde. It gives you that mauvey tone, especially if you're toning level 8 or 9. And then you have Eclipse, which sits at a level 6. It's great for like a gunmetal shadow root. It has like a blue steel tone to it. It's great for controlling orange at a level 7, 8 for like caramel results for darker hair. But it's also great for creating like unique tones to intermix with. But today I want to use Pearl and Titanium because they have like an iridescent violet, a silvery cast to it, which will control the yellow that's in her hair. So, which means she's gonna pick up a lot of violet tone. So you have to be very, very cautious because when you use it as purest form, what you're gonna get, so we're gonna look at the swatch chart here. So like when you use the Xpress Toner, it'll be great to control the level 9s because she's at a level 10. You're gonna see a lot of the violet tone come through. So this is where you have to utilize the clear. So that way you don't over deposit tone to the hair. So crystal clear looks like this. It's in the demi permanent color box. It doesn't lift the hair, it adds a lot of shine. So 5 grams of pearl, and then titanium. And this is what titanium box looks like. Pearl, titanium. It's gonna be your best friend. So ×2, dedicate 6 volume developer. Like so. Okay, so now we're gonna add Olaplex. You guys ready? And then, as well, you want to make sure you add the Guy Tang Collagen Powder. So I'm going to use a full scoop here. We're going to put her in there. Make sure her hair is healthy. We're just going to apply it throughout. And to be honest, we're just going to get it on there as quick as possible. So I'm just going to dunk my hand in here. And we are going to get in there and make sure we apply it in the nape, all throughout. Make sure we get it in her boutage. You guys, I am so excited. Take a look at her hair. Okay, so it's been 5 minutes. You can see all of the warmth and anything that looks, any bit of yellow is gone. And look how icy this looks. So, after I rinse off the toner, what I'm gonna do is use Olaplex number 2. And this is important because it has a pH of 3.5. You're rebonding, rebuilding the hair. Alright, so after I rinse off Olaplex number 2, I'm gonna pump out my Hero X1 cleanser. And I love the shampoo. It just primes the hair for the treatment to kind of go through, and the hair feels so good, so light, so airy. So, the second step will be X2. I love, love, love the X2. My Hero Collagen Repair. This is the second step. It's a cuticle sealer and hair softener. It's everything. And I love how I get to just spray it onto the hair. And you feel the hair feeling soft instantly on contact. Okay, so it's been on for about 3 minutes. We are gonna put X3 on the hair. So this is the internal repair. This rebuilds, reconstructs the hair internally. So now I'm gonna put this over her existing X2. Okay, we're gonna rinse out the X3. So this is our 4th step, which is our last step, is the Guy Tang External Collagen Reconstructor. So I love this because this does have a pH of 3.5. So you literally feel the hair feel like glass afterwards. It feels so clean. I love that. So now we're gonna rinse her hair out, and I can't wait for you guys to see the results.
Hold on, I'm not letting go. Hold on, you already know. Nothing can take us down, not while I'm around. That ain't changing now. Nothing can take us down, not while I'm around. That ain't changing.
You guys, I'm so excited. Lauren, check out your hair.
It's gorgeous.
Is this the blondest you ever been?
I think, yes.
This blonde will get Elsa jealous. So anyway guys, if you guys watched my Prism Rainbow video that she's in, you will see that Lauren is a talented music artist. She's a singer, songwriter, she plays the guitar and everything. So make sure that you guys check out her link. I'm gonna have all her link below so you get to follow her on YouTube and Instagram as well. And make sure you check me out on TikTok, Facebook, Instagram, everything, and check out my music as well. Anyway guys, subscribe. I love you guys. Bye!